Moving superiorly, here we have three different sections of the pelvis, okay? Three different parts of the pelvis. The first part is the large flat bone of the pelvis, is known as the ilium, okay? The ilium is this large flat bone of the pelvis from here all the way around here, okay? Ilium, okay? The bony landmark that you need to know on the ilium is the iliac crest. It goes way at the top here. It's basically the top portion of the ilium, the iliac crest. All right. The second part of the pelvis is on the posterior side, posterior being back, the posterior side, and it's inferior. Inferior being closer towards the feet. Okay? Posterior and inferior part of the pelvis is the ischium. Alright? This whole section here, from here to here, is the ischium. Okay? There is a bony landmark on the ischium that you need to know. It is called the ischial tuberosity. It's the bump on the ischium. It's also known as the sit bone, by the way. The sit bone is the ischial tuberosity. Okay? The third part of the pelvis that you don't really need to know or write down is the anterior inferior part, and that is called the pubis. All right, you don't really need to write that one down because we don't generally go there in circulatory massage. The coloring book is another resource that you're going to use to learn the anatomy for circulatory massage. Here are the specific pages that you need to go over for this section. On page 35, the ilium, the iliac crest, the ischium, and the ischial tuberosity. The large flat bone that makes the superior pelvis is the ilium. The superior ridge along the ilium is the iliac crest. The bone that is posterior and inferior on the pelvis is the ischium. The bony landmark on the ischium is the ischial tuberosity. At Healing Hands, we have created this practice guide to help you learn the anatomy for the circulatory class. It is available for download in the Study Resources section of this page. Keep in mind that this is a new language, and just like learning a musical instrument, the more you practice, the more fluent you are. There is space for you to write the answer for each part of anatomy that you need to learn. Remember, write it down, copy it, and copy it again.